In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and activate the customer portal through your Stripe account. This process is straightforward, but I'm here to guide you step by step to ensure that you can complete it with ease and efficiency. So let's dive in. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe login page. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your Stripe account. It's crucial to have your login details handy to avoid any unwanted delays. After you successfully log in, you should land on your dashboard. This is the hub where you manage all things related to your Stripe activities. If you're having trouble remembering your login credentials, consider using a password manager to keep track of your details securely. Now, with your Stripe account open, your next move is to go to the Settings section, which you'll find on the bottom left of the dashboard. Click on it to reveal several options. From the Settings menu, you want to choose Billing. Once you're in the billing section, the next thing you'll need to do is select Customer Portal. The Customer Portal is a very powerful tool for managing subscriptions and billing details effortlessly. When you're in the Customer Portal settings, there's one crucial step that you need to complete if you haven't done so already. Look for the option that says Activate Link. If this link is inactive, you'll need to click on it to activate it. This function is key because it provides your customers with a self-service portal where they can manage their subscriptions and billing information independently, thus saving you from needing to manually adjust these details for them. Once the link is activated, it becomes visible on your screen. This link will be the direct connection for your customers to access their accounts, manage their subscriptions, update their payment details, and more. Having this in place not only streamlines your business operations, but also enhances the overall customer experience, allowing them to have more control over their transactions and subscriptions. And with that, you're all done. You've successfully navigated through the steps of activating the customer portal in your Stripe account. Remember, providing your customers with self-service options can be a significant time saver and can dramatically improve user satisfaction. So there you have it, an easy and step-by-step guide to setting up your Stripe customer portal. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.